What comes to mind when you think of chasing? Maybe you remember playing tag as a child, with one friend being it and chasing the others, trying to tag them while you ran to avoid being caught. Or perhaps you recall a scene from your favorite drama where the lead actor spots his long-lost lover in an airport and desperately chases after her, calling her name. In relationships, chasing doesn't always mean someone openly declaring their love and desire to be closer to you. The real world is different. Some people are hesitant and might never show obvious signs of interest. Others take a more measured approach, offering subtle clues and hints. Here are 5 signs someone might be chasing you without you realizing it. 1. Digital proximity. Do you agonize over text response times when developing a relationship with someone? Seeing the 3-dot ellipsis in a chat message can make you wait with anticipation. Psychiatrist Mimi Winsberg, in Speaking in Thumbs, A Psychiatrist Decodes Your Relationship Texts So You Don't Have to, explains that our thumbs often reveal our romantic intentions. When someone is interested in building a relationship with you, they'll initiate conversations, ask questions, and consistently text you, often using emojis to express their emotions. 2. Physical proximity. As professor of social psychology Melina A. Fett, Ph.D., observes, friendships and romantic relationships often form among students who sit next to each other in her classes. Research by M. Michabak and colleagues published in Psychological Science suggests that simply sitting closer to someone can increase your liking for them. Online dating coach Andy Forsay, in a Cosmopolitan article, notes that if someone can't resist being physically close to you, it's a major sign of interest. 3. Emotional proximity. Have you noticed a coworker's questions shifting from casual to more personal? When someone is interested in you, they'll want to know you on a deeper level and build emotional intimacy. Researchers Sandra Langslag and Hank van Steenbergen explain that emotional attachment involves gradually developing a feeling of bonding that is calming, comforting, and makes you feel happy and secure. Someone chasing you will ask about your life goals, values, and ambitions, and will share their own in return. 4. Involvement of friends and family. Did your lab partner mention his brother's wedding and invite you to the event? Psychology researchers Maren Fisher and Katarina Simon revealed in the Journal of Family Studies that introducing you to their parents is common when someone wants to show they're serious. Dating coach and best-selling author Diana Durrell, in an Elite Daily article, explains that someone interested in you will also introduce you to their friends to share another side of themselves and get to know your friends and family better. 5. Compliments. Imagine a college senior smiling at you in the hallway and warmly complimenting your red sweater. Researchers from the University of Washington, Ian Duen, and Valery Manusov, found that giving compliments can help establish romantic relationships. Someone chasing you will likely praise your physical qualities, skills, or possessions, hoping to initiate interaction and eventually become romantically involved with you. Recognizing these signs can help you understand if someone is interested in you. Now, ask yourself, do I want to be caught? Please like and share this video with people you think might enjoy it. And remember, you matter.